Hey friend, life is not always easy, but if you can build three factories inside yourself, success will automatically follow you. First, your brain should be an ice factory. When people get angry, you stay cool. Don't let anyone melt your peace. Think calm, act smart. Second, your mind should be a steel factory, strong enough to face failure, unbreakable when life hits you hard. Bend if needed, but never break. And third, your tongue and lips should be a sugar factory. Speak sweetly, even when others are rude. Words can heal faster than medicine. If you can follow these three factories, you'll become the most successful, peaceful, and loved person in the world. Remember, cool brain, strong mind, and sweet words. That's the real recipe for success.